Ladies and gentlemen, today I would like to tell you about the suspicious pop-up that says the following message. Do you want the application ConfigType.dp to accept incoming network connections? Now, this message came up possibly as a result of dealing with some fake Adobe Flash Player update alerts. Some people see fake software update alerts instructing you to implement them and to install such updates, but in reality, whenever these updates, so-called updates are installed, the browser may be hijacked, so you may start seeing strange ads popping up and essentially disturbing your attention. Plus, they may even make things even worse with your Mac computer. Your Mac may be infected with some browser hijacking apps, with adware samples, with fake system optimization tools and other malware. So of course you should click on deny and not allow all such incoming connections. I also recommend that you research your available Mac applications to check whether there is some adware in your Mac. If you see it, remove it immediately. Now, I also recommend that you double check your Mac computer with Combo Cleaner, the antivirus for Mac that you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Once the application is downloaded and installed, you need to let it update the antivirus database and then click on Start Combo Scan, which will begin the complex research and investigation of your Mac computer. So at the end of some time, the program will give you the exact number of threads and their exact location. At the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the program will give you the detailed report about the kinds of threads that were found during the scan and about their location. You may go to the antivirus section and click on the link that says Review Results. So the program will have a list of all threads found during the scan. You may click on this icon that says Show in Finder, and this will show you the exact location of threads in Finder. You may right-click on each thread and get rid of it manually, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to get rid of these threads automatically. And you may click on the support button, which will lead you to a special page where you'll be able to specify your requests, including the requests about getting the free trial key for Combo Cleaner with limited functionality. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more detailed instructions on malware removal from Mac.